Welcome back to the channel, Inspired by R&R. My name is Ronya, for those of you who may be new here. And today's date is April 20th, which is a very special holiday for some people. So in recognition of today's date, I am going to be trying out some brand new products. This CBD oil hair cream by Ampro is alcohol and paraben free, gluten free, and also vegan. It claims that it is a deeply conditioning and deeply moisturizing hair balm that will relax and calm your hair with the intoxicating effects of castor oil, vitamin E, omegas 3, 6, and 9, as well as alma extract. Ampro's Cognac oil styler is also gluten-free, alcohol and paraben-free, and vegan, claiming to condition your hair with vitamin E, aloe, and cognac oil, which is said to have a calming effect that aids in concentration and relaxes nervous tension, while providing a frizz-taming, crunch-free, lasting hold. You can find both of these products at your local beauty supply store, but I'll also leave a link for you down below in the description box. Okay, Ampro, so these are some pretty hefty claims you're making with these products, and we're gonna see if they come through for us or not. I do want to thank Ampro for sponsoring this video, but I will be giving you my true, unbiased, honest opinion whether or not these products work for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my hair right now, and my hair is actually dirty. I've been working out, so that's why I have this little hoodie on. It's sweaty, dirty. I don't know if you can see, this is like my curl pattern. I have some flakes going on in my hair from a failed wash and go. So I'm gonna wash my hair and condition it off camera, then I will come back and put these two products to the test. And just so you know, it should be noted that these products are for hair use only. So make sure you style responsibly, okay? I'll be right back. The CBD oil hair cream, I'm just gonna tell you how it smells to me. And I do like it has this little protective film on top of it. It's a very light scent. I can't quite pinpoint what it smells like though. CBD oil, coconut oil, rosemary extract, sesame seed oil, and safflower oil. It doesn't, I'm not getting that coconut smell, which is actually a pro in my personal opinion, just because a lot of my products already have a coconut smell, and I'm kind of getting, I don't know, a little over it, you know. Is anybody else like that? Like where a lot of these products that you have in your house already, they already have that coconut scent. So it's kind of refreshing to not have that overpowering coconut scent in a new product. I don't think I've smelled anything like this. It's very faint though. Texture, it's, it just feels like a cream. It doesn't feel like anything that I haven't felt before. And it's a thick cream too. Like see, it's not going anywhere. Gotta save that. You know, naturals, we gotta save all this product. I'm going to go ahead and take my t-shirt off, give you a texture shot of my hair, and then we are gonna go in with that cream oil. So I just have my hair like twisted, but this is my natural hair, natural state. There's no product in here whatsoever. There's not any leave-in or anything. These are my curls right now. I'm taking this much. So run this through my fingers. It does feel like it's gonna give me some good slip. And let's apply this bad boy. Let's see. Did that just melt in my hair? Look at that. You guys, can you see that? Like, I don't see any residue at all. Let me add a little bit more just so I'm not thinking I'm seeing things. Wow. I mean, the definition in my curls right now. So now we're gonna go in with the Cognac styler on top. Let me see how it smells. I'm getting Coca-Cola vibes. It smells like a hint of Coca-Cola. I don't drink, but you guys let me know if you partake in the dark brown, let me know what cognac smells like, because this smells like a hint of like Coca-Cola. Like, it's not super strong, but it's a faint scent. Let's see. This is a thick gel. As you can see, it's not going anywhere, but it also feels like it might be light too. When I put it in my hands, see, it just kind of feels like it's got a lot of liquid in it. So this might be a plus. Go ahead and apply this bad boy right here to my hair. Okay. Add a little bit more to these ends. Ooh, I like that sound. Oh yeah. Look at that. It feels like it clumped my curls together. Do you see that? Then I repeated that same process, applying some water with the spray bottle, the CBD oil cream, and the cognac styler on top. Okay, I just finished this side and my curls look super defined. Like, I don't think, I'm not mad at this side. If you can compare it to this side, this is the side that I haven't even started on yet. Not defined yet. Need some help. Versus over here, we've got all the help we need. I just repeated that process, spraying some water in my hair and then going in with the CBD oil cream, mixing that in until the white residue was completely gone. And then I applied the cognac oil styler on top, and you can definitely tell a difference from before and after. Even though my hair is still wet, it did make my curls get defined. They were not so shrunken, and they looked a little bit elongated. So I definitely am interested to see how my hair looks after it dries. I just finished putting both products in my hair, and as you can see, my hair is still very much wet. So I'm going to come back after my hair has completely air dried. I do have low porosity hair, so it's gonna be a few hours. My hair is completely dry. It's about 7:30 in the evening. As you can see, my hair has shrunk drastically, but that is pretty normal for myself since, you know, natural hair tends to shrink. That's just what it is. I can say my hair does not feel hard or crunchy. It actually has a little bit of body to it. And it's not wet. Both of the products did mix very well. It's not like I have any flakes or anything. My curls do look very defined. I personally don't like my hair to be so shrunken. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair overnight. So I'm gonna get a scrunchie, put it at the top of my head, pineapple, go to sleep, and then wake up and show you how my hair looks in the morning. It's the next day. I've already done my makeup, and now it's the moment of truth to see if this stuff really worked. My hair should be stretched from me putting it in a pineapple last night. So let's see. I removed the scrunchie and then I just shook my hair vigorously. If you're wondering why I left my bangs out, my bangs are slightly a looser curl pattern and I did not want those to be stretched. But look at my hair, you guys. My hair is so fluffy and flowy. It's not crunchy at all, so no hard helmet hair. And it was just giving me lots of body, lots of flowy movement, definitely a fluffy wash and go. I really like my hair. This is a bomb wash and go. Like, all of my curls are perfectly defined, and you know what? I'm not mad at this. My final thoughts. The cognac oil styler. I think this is a really great option, and it's a happy medium for people that don't necessarily want a gel filling where it has that hard, crunchy, sticky filling like after it dries. My hair is not sticky. My hair isn't hard, it's not crunchy, but it is holding my stuff into place. But it's also flexible and movable, as you can see. So it's not going to limit your hair. The CBD oil hair cream, it was very light. The scent was light. My hair feels moisturized. I don't know if you could tell on my fingers. My fingers have like a little bit of sheen to them. So my hair definitely is staying hydrated. And the only thing that I wished about this is maybe my expectations was that this would have like a relaxing feeling or tingling feeling sensation on my scalp and on my hair. I didn't feel that with this, so I would want to see maybe have something where your scalp can feel tingly, like maybe like a CBD oil, just a scalp oil. That would be really amazing to feel like that tingly feeling, relaxing, you know, feeling with it. But overall, both of these products worked very well together because, you know, as a natural, sometimes products do not mix and you'll have flakes. But as you can see, I do not have any flakes in my hair whatsoever. So I do recommend both of these products. And again, I will leave a link down below for you guys to purchase this if you like. And you can also find these at your local beauty supply store. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what styles you'd want me to try next. Until next time, everyone, peace.